Hi, I'm Dominique from Jobber. Let's talk about job costing, where you can see the profitability for your one-off jobs. To get started, you will first need to set up an hourly rate for your team members. This is used to calculate the job's profitability based on their time logged on this job. Navigate to the gear icon, go to Manage Team, then select your team member. From the Labor Costs section, enter the employee cost in dollars per hour. The employee cost should include the employee's wage, benefits, and taxes. When you're done, click Save User. Now let's navigate to a job. Here you'll see a profit bar on your one-off jobs. This is internal for users who have job costing permissions enabled in their user settings. The profit bar shows the profit margin for this job, as well as the total price of the job, which is the sum of all line items' unit prices before tax and discounts. Subtracted from the total price are the line item unit costs. This is what a product or service costs you or your business. Then the labor costs are subtracted. This is calculated based on your timesheet entries and the hourly labor rates. Then expenses associated with this job are subtracted, which leaves you with the profit of this job. This is shown as a dollar value as well as the profit margin percentage. There is also a visualization of how your costs for this job break down, so you can see at a glance where the majority of your costs are coming from. Below the profit bar, you have sections for your line items, labor, and expenses. These sections are what your job costs are based on. Your line items are the products and services you're offering on this job. The quantity of each item as well as the unit cost and price are factored into your profits. Next is the labor section. This is where you'll see the time entries that have been added to this job. If a team member has a visit timer currently running, it will be indicated by a running clock icon. Labor costs are not calculated until the timer has been stopped. The labor cost is calculated using the team member's hourly rate multiplied by their logged hours. Next, we have expenses. Any expenses that have been added to this job will show in this section and factor into the profitability. And there you have it. To recap, your job profitability is calculated using your line item's unit cost and unit price, your timesheets, and your expenses. These numbers are all visible in the profit bar on one-off jobs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our Help Center or our other videos.